U.S. equity futures are seeing red following the latest batch of economic data and earnings reports. Now, U.S. indices ended lower on Tuesday. Equities were pressured by shares in the consumer durables and apparel sector, as well as commercial and professional services and automobiles and component sectors. This came as investors digested corporate earnings that were mixed. In terms of economic data releases, the FHFA House Price Index improved by 0.7% in August from 0.5% in the previous month. On the other hand, U.S. consumer confidence fell to 98.6 in October from 103.5 in September. In other economic data, the Richmond Federal Manufacturing Index increased to -4 in October, which was in line with estimates. In terms of advancers and decliners, 70% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower on Tuesday. And in the after-hours market, Apple announced fourth quarter diluted EPS of $1.67 on sales of $46.9 billion. Net income declined by 19% year over year to $9 billion. Separately, Chipotle Mexican Grill announced that third quarter EPS plummeted to 27 cents from $4.59 in the prior year period on revenue of $1.04 billion. That is down 14.8% year on year. Meanwhile, Capital One Financial unveiled third quarter EPS of $1.69, down from $1.98 a year earlier. In terms of earnings reports today, it is heavy on reports, but before the bell, we will be getting results out from Coca-Cola, Comcast, and Boeing. And after the bell, we will be getting results out from Texas Instruments, Mondelez International, and Biogen. As for economic data today, we will be getting the September U.S. trade balance as well as wholesale inventories for September. Also, the October preliminary market U.S. services PMI will be released alongside the September new home sales. Overseas Asian markets were under pressure today. The Nikkei gained just 0.1%, but the Hang Seng was down over 1%, and South Korea's Kospi also declined, off by minus 1.2%. Now, European indices are trading lower in midweek trade. For the U.S. equity indices, the S&P 500 is in the spotlight on an intraday basis. That index is under pressure. Now, Trading Central analysts prefer short positions below 21.44, with targets standing at 21.23 and 21.17 in extension. As for the Nasdaq on an intraday basis, the consolidation is in place. And for the Dow Industrials, it is also under pressure.